Make 32% with Apple in 86 days. Do you follow our strategy? Click like, subscribe if you want to make more money. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the money mindset and trading strategy. Click like and subscribe, and right now, do it. And I'm not your financial advisor, just for the education purpose, okay? So now we look at Apple. Basically, 3 weeks ago, we have predicted the peak is 198, and what is the peak right now is so far is 198.23. the difference is only 0.23. Is it crazy? Do you follow our strategy? Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. You're crazy if you don't make this profit. Okay, basically we make 32%. So let's look back, because I want to do some revision. Let's look at what we say about the Apple 3 weeks ago, basically. But before 3 weeks, basically back to April, I already give you the hints about the Apple with our strategy. We have a buying signal, basically. So let's look at what I say 3 weeks ago about the prediction.
Well, I'm not going to show off the result. But it worked, this strategy. But I want to show you something. It's the risk. Sorry, my drawing is terrible. So I want to show you is in April in my channel, not this channel, but in my Telegram channel, you can join for free this moment. I will raise the price later. So basically in April, I have give a signal. So April around here. So basically Apple has formed a head and shoulder platform like here. Okay, quite terrible drawing, I'm sorry. So basically this line is our, at that time is the resistance, and then they break through, and even they go back to retest it to give us the opportunity to buy this stock and now go up. What is, but quite interesting, okay, I'll tell you later, but quite interesting is this line. When you draw this resistance to the bottom, you copy and paste, put here. So you need to be careful if you hold Apple this stock. So this one would be, maybe it's one of the peak, okay, around 190, what, 7? Is it 198? Okay, 198. But maybe you don't, if you have this stock, if let's say if someone wants to sell this stock, you don't sell exactly this. Maybe it's selling exactly a little bit cheaper than this price. Okay, sometimes when the market is weak, of course now it's strong market, maybe they don't reach the target price. They go below the target price and come down. Okay, so this is the theory from the book, which I find quite interesting. Okay, so another thing I want to show you is Apple. This stock is just fascinating. Like if you draw a trend line, when is that? March to now, you can find a perfect channel, perfect upward channel. Okay, so
okay, so basically I predict the peak, and I also mentioned the channel, and also mentioned where is the buying signal. Okay, so let me repeat. Where are we now, basically? So it's crazy if you don't follow this strategy, and you mean our strategy works. So this is my own indicator, and with that strategy, basically, so you can see what happened is our buying signal is here, so it's around 150, and we sell at 197. Basically, you're making 32% in 87 days. Okay, that is insane. Okay, so of course now let me show you where is the trend line, so you will see it better. Did we drop through the trend line already? Of course, we dropped through the trend line. I have mentioned, even we drop through this blue line also. I have mentioned this one will have a bigger pullback or correction for Apple, because this stock basically has been increasing non-stop since March. Okay, so now you have to take a break. So watch back my video. I have put the link below. Also in the end of the video, it's a lot of education of my video. You have to learn it if you want to make more money. Okay, you have to make the effort. So let's look back my indicator. Basically, I have a turning down signal here. So with this indicator, if you are not so aggressive investor, you buy when they above this line, and when it's turning up, you don't even buy here. Let's say you are very safe investor, you buy around here. How much you make? This is insane. Oops, make a wrong drawing. Sorry. So let's say you're not aggressive. Let's say you don't sell at the high price. You sell here. You're still making 33.55%. Okay. So do you like this strategy? And this is 133 days. So a trading days, but you mean the strategy work, okay? So okay, so now it's not we even have a gap now. So I'm going to tell you right now what's going on with Apple. So what's going on now is first, we have a double top here, here, okay? And I mentioned in my previous video also, we have a big resistance here. So if you look back here, so it formed a double top, and also my indicator turning down, and also with the head and shoulder pattern, the peak is 198. We have predicted it correctly, okay? So now look at the RSI. Even RSI, they have a divergence. If you use my RSI strategy, you should make that profit easily. You should sell at this point easily, okay? So you have a RSI divergence. So RSI going down, the price going up. When RSI above 70 is going down, and this is going up, this is a divergence. It means they have a correction or pullback risk, okay? It will go down, but it go down very, very fast. It reached the oversold signal already. Boom, boom, here, okay? So we have an oversold signal. So basically, it will go up again. But the problem, not the problem, the issue is it finished the pullback or it will go down more? Okay, so I want to show you basically for the go down, we have three wave like this. So A, B, C wave, okay? So now it's only one so far. So it's only one. We need one go up and go down again, okay? For the one did not follow me, they will buy at the peak and then they basically, they like to buy high and sell low. So that's what I love them. But just a joke. But please follow me. Please do the strategy. So now what's going on? We expect we have a small go up here and go down again, okay? If the momentum is not strong enough. Although the RSI is oversold, it doesn't mean it has to be a bottom, okay? For example, if you look at here, the RSI oversold, if you bought a here, look at our curve is going to go all the way going down. So basically it go down again. It go down lower than this price, okay? But it will still go up to have a upward, okay? So you can make short-term profit if you're a short-term investor, okay? So basically we expect it will go up, basically I think from today, okay? Go up and then until the resistance. So where is the resistance? So if you follow my channel, you should know this strategy. This is a gap strategy, okay? So basically, when you hit the gap, oops, sorry, the higher price of this candle, which is 187, is one of the resistance. And also the low price of here is 192. So basically it's 100, 192. So this one is basically is our resistance here. So maybe it's the target to go up and bounce back. And let's look at, so if you're looking for short-term profit, I mean, so you need to be careful about this zone. And okay, how about our long-term chart? So we are still in the red. This candle has to become green candle and we will have a bounce up and then we are safe. Okay, so far I don't see anything yet. This is a really good chart. If you draw a trend line here, it would be very beautiful if they come back to test this trend line again. Okay, so boom, boom, and go up again. Okay, so basically Apple is still in long term, is still run really beautiful structure. If you look at long term, it runs crazily beautiful structure. So it's normal to have a pullback because we have a form, we have been up since March, and this is an upward channel. It's okay to have a pullback, okay? It's healthy for us to buy more, okay? So Apple. How about this one? My indicator. This is our daily chart. So I told you we sold here, and if you want to, so we're still waiting for this one for the long-term investor. We're still waiting for this one to going up again, and then it means this stock is safe. Okay, so far is it's not yet safe. We will expect go up and go down again. So if we look at this one. Okay, so basically the red zone has to become a green zone. So basically we are in the weak channel. Okay, so we expect this one will go up and then hit the green zone and come back down because this green zone basically is a resistance. Okay, so if you follow this green zone, this trend, if you follow the pattern right now, but just a prediction, it's very rough. So if you follow, if we go up like here, maybe it's also around 183. So basically it matched with our last prediction, right? So it's quite crazy. So our last prediction is around this. So basically I've mentioned the resistance and what will going on for the Apple. Unless they have suddenly a big fund coming and then they go up again when they change the direction, okay? Unless, because all the prediction is 70% accuracy. So you need to have a backup plan. What if they go opposite? What kind of signal will you see? What will you do? Okay, so this is my sharing, but right now we have an oversold signal. So even if you buy here oversold, even you go lower, right? If you're a very long-term holder, it's still okay because it's slow, okay? But of course, for our strategy, we wait for the direction. So today is my sharing. If you want to make more money, you subscribe to my indicator. This is the easiest trading method ever. Or you join my complete course, which is really, really fine. You can make even more than 32%, okay? What I told you is just a lazy method. If you want to buy here, there's a method, okay? If you want to sell here, there's a method. But if you're a lazy investor, you want something very, very simple, you just use this indicator, done. Or use my the first strategy, also we just need free line, that's it, and you can buy and sell easily, okay? So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and don't hesitate, please. You're wasting your time, you're wasting your money, because right now the $100 and 1 year later, the $100 is different. The value is different. Don't tell me you missed the whole thing. I have tell you to buy around here, and then we make 30%. And you missed the train, man. I mean, wow. I just try to help you out here. Try to give you more information. Don't waste your time. Yes, people would worry about the recession things. Yeah, yes. But the stock market first, I told you, very easy to withdraw the money. Like it's not like property. It's difficult to sell, but the stock market is so easy to sell, so easy to exit, so easy if you know how to sell. Okay. Second is you don't need big lump sum to start the investment. You can start with 10,000, 1,000, but first, don't lose your money. So you have to learn before you earn. So this is my advice today, and have a lovely, happy day today, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.